the chair, Mr. Peter Gitau, and the rest of the marathon participants, Standard Chartered Marathon. I'm Mary Kiarie, Traffic 2 Nairobi area, representing Traffic 1, Mr. Victoris Otieno, who is engaged in another duties. Today, I'm here just to enlighten you on road closure on that day. You'll be crossing Southern Bypass entrance and exit. That is, you'll be Standard Chartered Marathon, you'll be using Southern Bypass, and we'll be crossing that road in some areas as from 11 p.m. According to the share and others from Standard Chartered, you had indicated at midnight. But for us, traffic to be sure, you'll be there by 11 p.m. By 11 p.m. is the time you'll be starting crossing. You'll be crossing the road at Kikuyu via bypass. At Kikuyu via bypass, that is Dagoretti Road interchange. And those who will be using that road from Karen Shopping Center, they will be using, the vehicles will use Dagoretti Road. They will use Dagoretti Road. And also we will be crossing the road at Mombasa Road via Southern Bypass. That is near Oreseren. We will be having a barrier there. And those vehicles that were intending to use that road, they will use Mombasa Road. And then along Waiyaki Way. And they can go all the way to Uhuru Highway. To use Mombasa Road through Southern Bypass, they will use Waiyaki Way. Waiyaki Way will be open all through, and Langata Road will be open all through. So all those diversion from Southern Bypass, they will be using either Waiyaki Way, Mombasa Road, or Uhuru Highway. But the closure will be from 11 p.m. and it will go up to the following day on 29 at 1:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m. But in case of any other eventuality, we can extend. But our time given is 1:30 p.m. Thank you.